how you can easily turn on the dark mode on your Microsoft Edge application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your Microsoft application. Inside the Microsoft application, head over to your three dot icon, and inside settings option, head over to your settings option, and inside settings option, as you can see, the appearance option is here. Just click on that, and as you can see, the system default has been set on my application, so you can simply either switch to completely light mode or dark mode. Since I'm going to choose the dark mode, you can simply click on the dark mode like this. You can simply click on the dark mode like this, and once you click on the dark mode, as you can see, my screen theme has completely changed into dark option. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can change your that's exactly how you can change your theme to dark or any other color you like, just like this, to make it unique. So follow for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to hit and like don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.